Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make the best export setting for your videos in CapCut. So before you export your video, when you finish your edit, you can just go to adjust and click on adjust, and then click on sharpen and add it into 30. Then after that, click on the change the output quality. This one's right here. Click on this box and then change it into, make sure that the quality is on the 1080p and then the frame rate is on 30. And then after that, you can just click on the arrow here to export your video. Then you'll get the best result of your CapCut video. Okay, so that's all from me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave a comment, and last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.